Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to connect Instagram to Discord. Alright, let's begin. First, open Discord using either your browser or the application. Make sure to log into your account once it's open. Once signed in, navigate to the bottom left of the screen where you'll find the user settings option. Click on it, and then look at the left side of the page for an option labeled Connections. Click on Connections to view all accounts that can be linked to your profile. In some regions, you might see Instagram listed among these options. If available, click on Instagram and proceed by logging into your Instagram account through a login page that will appear next. This will connect your Instagram account with Discord. If Instagram is not listed as an option in your region, check back periodically for updates or explore other social media platforms available for connection within Discord's settings. So that's basically how you can connect Instagram to Discord. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.